Doing the L2 sensors.
You have to start the park for it?
No, I'm leaving them bolted on. I'm just
I would like that house
connectors.
just because it has a big ass spot. It'd be perfect for the boat. We can also make.
Well, like this yellow one right here, this would have been good. Because it has the same space that I do. Where you have a boat put it between like that.
Let me see what they do in March. Keep the credit. Once that's there. If it's a rent to own, you're trying to sell it, and you know where the other credits are going.
How much space do you have in the other side?
Whenever I can add maybe about like 2-3 feet.
Well, I was saying for the house, but I was saying, oh, it's only small right there. Well, it's a little bit wider. But I was saying cement on that side for the boat.
Yeah, it'll be too long. The boat fits in like perfect one spot there.
Alright.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing, just looking at all the connections.
Yeah, there's two on the left. I would do it the long way. So we squirt somewhere around. You know what I mean? Yeah.
It sucks because of this sensor right here.
And I'll move it. I got it. I'll move it.
All the pressure is coming
Watch your eyes.
out. You hear it?
Yep.
Let it depressurize.
Let it?
Yeah, it's already off. It's just now you can hear it bubbling. Oh, you bastard!
Money shot.
We got a swerver.
Got a money shot.
Jesus Christ.
I like the Corvette. That here, like that. I think those are the best Corvettes.
So there's two connectors right here plugged in. Those little push out ones. There's a tight fit right here. Alright, one. I like the way that one came out. I'm just gonna do these real quick.
Over here.
Because there's more over here.
What do you need?
He can't get his hand on the one of the sockets.
You need what?
I need the. Can you get me the puller to put this? Good. And I got that loose from here. Looks like there's another.
There's a copper.
There's one on top and the bottom right here. Oh.
Right there. Get the bill has to get out.
It's right there. That's weird.
What is the motor going
I got
down
it.
with the team member, mijo?
I have the transmission.
Huh?
I have the transmission.
You took it out?
Mm-hmm.
Because it went further down, right?
putting it back in the middle.
Yeah, I know. That's all I'm saying. It's gonna go back to the same place that it was.
Hold on.
Every now we lower the motor, the thing down, it'll. Watch it.
What?
Go down. Keep going.
It's already out.
No, but I'm trying to make sure it's not hitting it's hitting the firewall of this side now too.
Well, it's gonna keep going down, but we're going to hold it now.
I got it from this side. From this side and this side. Just.
Hold on.
I know, I'm trying to not make it scratch on this corner. I'm trying to hold it out of that. Watch. Oh.
It's
That
wiring.
top part. It's not gonna go out. I'm pushing it back and it's gonna pass everything. Watch the arms. It's gonna get stuck. Still fit it. Oh, you went to the right. That's.
It's on the crack. I'm trying to get it off the crack.
Down on the bottom.